Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you a few examples that illustrate the Triboelectric series, most of which can be done with a 1/4-inch PVC pipe and a little bit of rabbit fur. Check it out. Okay, so here's a homemade parallel plate capacitor and it's hooked up to my Wimshurst machine, and I have a little ball of aluminum foil between both plates. And I'm going to charge both plates just by turning the Wimshurst machine. And then you can keep your eye on that little aluminum ball when I bring the plates together. Watch what happens. Oh, there it goes. And as the frequency decreases, it slowly discharges that electricity. It's almost done. There it is. Now if I keep turning the Wimshurst machine, you'll see what happens to that little aluminum ball. Get a little bit closer, and it'll just start going back and forth as it discharges that current between both parallel plates. Another investigation I like that illustrates the Triboelectric effect is just using some rabbit fur and a 1/4-inch PVC pipe and my separation funnel over a pan, and it's just filled with some water, and I'm going to build up an electrical charge by rubbing the rabbit fur against the PVC pipe, and I'm just going to let a little stream of water come out of my separation funnel. You see it move? The water is literally attracted to the PVC pipe. There it goes. Isn't that amazing? Just a cool demonstration, very easy to do. You really see that water move. Okay, so one more cool Triboelectric demonstration. Again, I'm using the 1/4-inch PVC pipe. I'm using the rabbit fur to build up a charge, and then I'm using these glass coasters. I'm just gonna put a thin film of Dawn dish detergent on it, and I added a little bit to some water. This is my bubble solution, and I've got a little straw, and I'm just gonna blow a bubble on the surface of this glass coaster, and I'm gonna see if I can make the bubble move with my PVC pipe. And so I'm just gonna dip my finger in here. I'm just gonna kind of move a little bit of bubble solution on the plate, and then I'm gonna dip my straw in there. I'm gonna blow a small bubble. Okay, once your bubble is ready, then build up a charge and see if you can move it on the plate. I like using the rabbit's fur and the PVC pipe to illustrate the Triboelectric series. The word tribo in Greek means to rub. So when you rub the rabbit's fur against the PVC pipe, you'll see on the left-hand column about halfway down is rabbit's fur where it says most positive. That's because it has a tendency to lose electrons. Remember, an electron has a negative charge, so if you're losing electrons, you're more positive, whereas on the right side, where it says most negative, halfway down the column, you'll see vinyl PVC. So if the vinyl PVC is gaining electrons, that gives it a negative charge. And remember, opposites attract, and that's why this stream of water was attracted to the PVC pipe, or the bubbles were attracted to the PVC pipe, is because it had a strong negative charge. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.